Hello! Today I'm excited to share how Dovetail HR Copilot with GenAI is revolutionizing HR service delivery. If your HR team is bogged down by repetitive inquiries, juggling disconnected systems, and struggling to access critical information quickly, then you're in the right place. Imagine your HR team spending countless hours answering the same questions, manually navigating multiple platforms, and handling tasks that could be automated. Dovetail HR Copilot tackles these challenges head-on by automating repetitive inquiries, allowing your HR professionals to focus on strategic initiatives. Research shows that HR automation can boost productivity by up to 30%, empowering your team to concentrate on what truly matters. One of the standout features of our HR Copilot is its seamless integration with popular collaboration tools like Microsoft Teams and Slack. By unifying workflows within the tools your team already uses, it eliminates the hassle of switching between different applications, ensuring that information is always at your fingertips. Quick access to information is another game changer. With advanced search functionality, HR Copilot indexes critical resources, including your SharePoint libraries, to deliver fast, relevant answers. Whether it's company policies or employee benefits details, everything is just a few clicks away. This means fewer delays and more informed decisions across your organization. And there's more. Dovetail HR Copilot uses AI-powered intents to deliver precise, context-aware responses. Every query receives accurate, policy-aligned answers, ensuring consistency and reliability in your HR communications. When every answer counts, consistent and timely responses truly make a difference. As your organization grows, scalability is key. Our solution effortlessly scales with your expanding needs, maintaining high-quality support and efficient task automation regardless of volume. Plus, with customizable workflows, you can tailor the system to perfectly fit your unique business processes. Don't just take our word for it. In Sapient Insights Group's 2024 and 2025 Hours System Survey, Dovetail software was ranked #1 for customer satisfaction and user experience for the 4th consecutive year. One customer described our platform as extremely customizable, user-friendly, and its search capabilities are Google-like. These accolades highlight the real impact of our innovative solution. Imagine a workplace where your HR team handles high inquiry volumes effortlessly, accesses information in seconds, and focuses on creating a better employee experience. With Dovetail HR Copilot powered by GenAI, that future is already here. Thank you for watching. To learn more about transforming your HR operations with AI-driven support, visit our website at dovetailsoftware.com or give us a call. Let's take your HR service delivery to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content on how we can revolutionize your HR operations. Until next time.